Recently, in the last few years, there's been all this rage about these push-up boards. So I thought I'll try one. I'm into exercise and fitness, so I thought let's see how good these are. I remember many years ago I bought a couple of handles like this, and you push them down and hold, but this one's got a locking board, and let's see how good this is. So I bought this on Amazon Black Friday sale. It was reduced from approximately £22-25 to I think about £10-12 I paid. It was a couple of weeks ago. So let's have a go. I'll leave a link down below for this exact one in the description, guys. So if you're interested, what do you get? You've got a board. Nothing else in here. All right. So you got instructions, guide, and some of the things that you can do or what it comes with. Oh, exercise guide. All right, so you got exercise guide on the back, and you got color coded red, blue, green, and yellow. Loads of exercises, and it tells you which muscle areas they work, and you've got it in different languages. Okay, so that's great. So you got two handles, one, and they're quick release, in and out look likes. You got some foam pads. I'm thinking, is that for that or the underside? Yep, so you got the foam pads for the underside here. Putting them on there so maybe not to scratch your surface and give you a bit more. Actually, they're foam, so they're for cushioning as well. So that's really good. You've got color coded. You've got red shoulders, green triceps, and blue for chest, and orange for back. So different combinations. And how does it go in? Put it in there and it's in. That one there. So that would do green, so that's triceps. Red, here, shoulders. So I'll give it a go, and I'll come back and report to you guys how good this is. All right, catch you in a bit. So okay guys, I've tried this and it's absolutely fantastic. It's really good. It takes the strain out of your wrist and much more comfortable, and you really feel the areas working, and also your hands are not going to slip and you have better balance. It's absolutely brilliant. So if you're looking to do body weight, and obviously this is mainly upper body, then I would highly recommend this product. Give it a go. It's really good quality. Rubberized grips here. They come out easily, go into another position easily. That is solid, so it's going to last you a long time, and you can't really go wrong. And anything, the normal, for example, this is your push-ups, normal traditional push-ups, you have to do it like this, and it's a lot of strain on your wrist. And with this, it takes the strain out. It's in a much more natural position. Okay guys, I hope you found this useful. Maybe give it a go. I'll leave a link below of this exact product down below. And if it's still available, it was from Amazon. I'm not paid or commissioned, and there's no commission or nothing on this. No affiliate links, nothing there. And also check out my other videos and see, and maybe you can take part in the giveaway for one of the consoles. Until then, catch you soon. Bye for now.